Hello everyone! Today, let me show you our Machenike G6V2 controller. How to toggle the dead zone at the center point of the joystick. Okay, everyone can see our screens. Currently, our stick center point is a dead zone. As default, it is about a 10% center point dead zone. If we need to turn both joysticks on, no dead zone, we can quickly switch through key combinations. We hold down L3 and R3. Press dead. Hold for about 5 seconds. It causes our controllers to vibrate. The center point of our two sticks. Dead zone will become a state of 0 dead zone. The number where we can see our center point is very sensitive. If I want to cut back to the words with dead zones, just repeat the operation L3 plus R3. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Okay, the controller will vibrate to prompt you. As this time we can see our center point. It becomes a state with a dead zone. Well, that's one way that passing key combinations. To switch the center point of the two joysticks,